12-minute affiliate system. Whether you're an experienced affiliate marketer or you're brand new to making money online, the 12-minute affiliate system is the solution you've been looking for. What is the 12-minute affiliate system? Introducing the revolutionary new online marketing solution that can have even the newest online entrepreneur ready to start earning commissions in as little as 12 minutes. This system takes the easiest way to make online commissions, affiliate marketing, and makes it 12x easier. The 12-minute affiliate system includes ready-to-go affiliates funnels in the hottest and most profitable niche markets like making money from home, weight loss, and personal development. Just personalize the system so that the leads go onto your email list and affiliate commissions go to your bank account. With 12-minute affiliate, there are no products to create, websites to host, copy to write, or techie stuff to figure out. Exactly how does 12-minute affiliate work? It's easy. Step 1, click the Get Started button on this page to start your no-risk trial for just a few dollars. If you like the system, you can keep it for less than the price of a cup of coffee per day. Step 2, follow the simple quick start checklist to get your system up and running, or choose to have us set the system up for you. Step 3, order some done-for-you traffic to your system based on your budget. It's literally as easy as ordering a pizza, and from there, you sit back, build your list, and promote your affiliate products. Every time someone buys one of the affiliate products your system is promoting, you keep 100% of the commissions paid to you. Do I need prior experience or training? No, the 12-minute affiliate system is 100% newbie-friendly. So, even if you're a complete newbie, you can use this system with ease. But just in case you're nervous, we also have a private Facebook community, ongoing training, for free. Is this get rich quick? No, this is get everything up and running quick. Ultimately, your success will be based on your consistency. But you already know that. Are you ready to change your life? Take your zero-risk test drive now. Still need more information and you want to learn more about the done-for-you 12-minute affiliate marketing system? Please just click the first link below the video and learn more. Thanks for watching.